Hey, babe. Help is here. We're gonna get unstuck. Well, at least I hope. I'm gonna go speak to them. You stay here, alright? Thank you, sir. Huh? Oh, I see. Alright. Okay, so they'll only be able to tow us out of the spot. Yeah, a lot of people had accidents, so he needs to handle those soon. And the plows are busy with the other roads. So I don't know what'll happen once we're out of the spot. All I know is that, well, I will get you home, one way or another. I promise you, baby. Okay, I think he's telling me to try driving. Well, alright. Well, I'm still stuck. I don't know what he's trying to do. Oh, I think he was seeing how stuck I was. Look, babe. He's attaching the tow rope. We're gonna get out of here. Is he trying to tell me to drive again? Well, alright. We're out. We're actually unstuck. Yeah, we can move again. Oh, he's coming out to see us. Thank you, sir. I'm not sure if we're gonna be okay, but we're gonna try. Okay. Thanks again, sir. The roads are really empty now, huh? On one hand, we won't risk crashing into another car, but we have no tracks to follow. The snow is still pretty deep and getting deeper. Well, whatever the case, we need to get moving. I'm so relieved we're moving now. Let's just hope we can make it home. Yeah, this day has gone on long enough. I'm ready to crash in bed with you, baby. Yeah, I'm not seeing anyone else right now. Looks like we really are on our own for the time being. No, I need to stop here. No, I'm not scared. Okay, maybe I'm a little scared. This snow is so infuriating. I just want to get home. You're holding my hand. Thank you. I'm starting to get emotional again, huh? I'm so happy you're here by my side, baby. If I were alone like the last time I got stuck, I might have been a sobbing mess. Yeah, I don't know where I should turn. Okay, let me take a quick stop and look. Okay, I turn here, then I go straight and take another left, and then I take a right, and then we'll be home. Think you can remember that for me, baby? Good boy. Huh? Do I think we're gonna get stuck again? Well... Oh. Does that answer your question? No, I'm not fully stuck. We're moving, though. I'm needing to press my boot to the floor to get moving. See? You like my boots? Aw, thank you, honey. I like them too. Just difficult to drive in. But, to answer seriously, considering how the snow is still bad, it might happen again. But we should be getting closer to home according to the map. So if we do get stuck again, hopefully it's at a spot close enough where we could walk the rest of the way. Though ideally we don't get stuck again, that's not something I can control right now. Yeah, I've gotten stuck before in my old car. Several times, actually. I managed to get out on my own most of the time it happened, but only because I had four-wheel drive. I was alone those times, as I said, so it was, yeah, scary. But, like I said, you always find a way to calm me down. I know I'm usually the more dominant one in the relationship, but I still appreciate that you take the time to comfort me, even if I don't tend to show my more vulnerable side. Okay, we just turned left. Now we need to take a right at the next turn, and we should be home. Yeah, we're almost there, baby. We'll be home soon. Just gotta stop here, then turn. Look, I think I can see our house. We're gonna make it. No, it's okay, baby. We're still gonna make it. We are sliding to the side, but we're going to. We're not moving anymore. No. Oh, we're so close. Come on, please. No, hun, we are not stuck again. I can get it going. I can. Come on. Move. Come on, come on. Okay, we're stuck again. I shouldn't have stopped. No one's even coming. Oh, okay, wait. Maybe... okay, nope. It's not moving. This is what I get for obeying traffic laws. Honestly, though, I'm not as scared right now as I was the first time. Yeah, we're close enough to walk the rest of the way, I think. Come on, baby. Yeah, you really lucked out. Wow. Yeah, It's slippery. I almost forgot that my boots don't do well in snow either. Looks like you were smarter than me in that regard. Aw, you're holding me again. You're too cute sometimes. Aw, you're holding me again. You're too cute sometimes. Well, home sweet home. Let's get in. All right. You're hungry, babe? Oh, that reminds me. I made you your favorite food. But, it's probably cold now. Yeah, that was part of the anniversary surprise. I can heat it up for you later. For now, I want to cuddle. Come here. Comfy. More comfy than the car, huh? Thank you for being here for me. I love you very much, baby. Thinking about you being alone and me being alone, it scares me. But knowing you're okay makes me feel happy, and that you care as much about me as I do about you. Well, I said it already, but I'll say it 1,000,000 times. You mean so much to me. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm getting sleepy. Yeah, I'm exhausted. You mind if we sleep here? Baby. Oh, he fell asleep. Guess my kisses put him to sleep. I'll keep that in mind, I suppose. Sleep well, my love. Happy anniversary, baby. I love you very much.